Alright, so there we are. We got the tempered glass screen protector installed. So I thought there was a little bit of dust corn under there. Looks like it's just an air bubble. Other than that, everything looks pretty good. So I don't want to fiddle around with it too much because now the plastic and everything is off of it. So now I'm going to take it home, set it up, fire it up, and get a case slapped on it. So I went to the Apple store, got the tempered glass screen protector installed, got the phone all set up. So now the only thing left for me to do is throw on the Spigen Ultra Hybrid. So let's get that put on before anything else disastrous happens today. And let's see this. Okay, so it has some sort of plastic on the front and back. Let's peel this off. Thing looks good. Now I can already tell that this should fit pretty good because the tempered glass that Apple offers is pretty fitted exactly to the screen. So it doesn't really curve around to the edges like most tempered glass screen protectors. So I don't expect to have any issues with this if I can get it on. Here we go. And it's perfect, as expected. All right, so I didn't put my SIM card in yet, but it is connected to Wi-Fi. Let's see if we can get this off of here. You can see that beautiful blue color. If I can get the phone focused here. Get it. And I do apologize for the reflective surface. This is a glass table, which I will be replacing soon, but it's all I have to work with right now. So everything is set up, and I have to say my initial impressions of the screen is actually pretty good. This screen is very clear. I don't really notice any difference between this and the 8. Now, I will say that there is a difference between this and the X models of iPhone, because that those phones have OLED screens, so you're gonna see a bit of a difference. But for this to be an LCD screen, this screen is really crispy. Like I said, I did go to YouTube, and the first thing I did was pull up a video. Immediately I went to switch it to 1080p. I gotta be honest, I can't really tell it. This is less than a 1080p screen. I mean, it's not a true 1080p screen, but it's not 720p either. It's like in between. So, I mean, it looks pretty crispy to me. I don't know if you guys can make it out, but I'm trying to really get it in focus for you. I don't know. I just picked anything. I don't even know what the hell this is. I don't listen to it. Although I do like this track. And this phone gets pretty loud. Was off the Remy, had up at Boost. Had to hit my old town to duck the news. 2-4-hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with the cool. I just landed in, just be mixing pop like Jamba Joe's. Different color chains, think my jeweler really selling fruits. And they joking, man, know the crackers wish it was a news. Sunset. The window retreat, we all in I have to say the sound is impressive on this phone, man. Like most Apple devices. The screen is crispy. The build quality is impeccable. Loving the color. I have no complaints about it. This might be my daily driver. I don't know how long it will be my daily driver for, but it might be my daily driver for a while. So there it is, my complete unboxing experience. I do thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.